tree is green again. Hello everyone, come to color with me and learn with me. Today I color animal in the zoo. Look at them. A lion. Roar! This is a lion. Here you go. I am baby. I'm not baby, just a sister. This is a bird. This is a bird. That's so cute and so beautiful. This is rhinoceros. She has short horns and long tail. Here. This is giraffe. Her neck is longer than people. She has long legs and I don't see her tail. That's in the area. Ooh, giraffe. It's so beautiful. This is a dog. I have dog than where the dog is gone. I like dog. No, I want dog. I want dog. This is hippopotamus because hippopotamus like swimming in the water. And crocodile too, is it you? No crocodile did that. Let's get crocodile. Oh, here's my doggy. Doggy behind you. This is leopard. And she is so beautiful. But leopard is so far away, but we can look her. And this is a wolf. Wolf is so scary, but can't she eat animals like elephant? Giraffe looks like lion eat giraffe, but giraffe is got to get this lion away, right? Here you go. And the next one is monkey. Well, monkey in the mountain, but she wants to take my food. That's yummy for her, but I don't think so. Monkey's so naughty. I'm a little eye for her. And the next one is tiger. She in the planet in the zoo, but everybody can't see tiger, but she's gone, right? Yeah. The last one is sheep. Sheep in the farmer, but farmers go to the farmer. But she in the farmer, but she stay right here forever. She like in the farm. Yeah. Okay. All gone. Lost the animal. Yeah. Many of them I can see in the zoo. Let's study the sound of letter C. The letter C is for zoo. Because the sound of letter C is C. Zoo we write like this. C-double-O, zoo. Now put the sound together. Sausu. 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 Animal live in the zoo. Start coloring animal. I will choose. What you want to choose? What you want to get? I don't know. Birdie or something. We want giraffe sister. I want to get you. Yellow. Because we have our own space, but just protect the right for you guys. Digga, are you finished? No, ready. What? That's not looks like brown. Let me try again. What? This is like brown. And a different color. Let's see. Maybe that's brown. Ah! Just color harder. I can't see anything with her tail. Her tail is yellow with her favorite color. Just like Jedi is almost like a color. It's not working. What's wrong? You're being so hard, Jedi. Oh, so little with it so well. You can play with this side. Jedi, I can help you. You're brown. Jedi, Nadi. Come on, Dita, paint in her hair. Her hair is brown. I'm gonna help you. No, wait, Dita. Almost finished. Put your hands up. Yay! Go on here. Show Sean. That's so here. Let's go here. Again. Look like her head. Ow, ow. Let's go like this. Oh, that is black. That's black, please. The next one. That's not black. It's brown. So big. I do not have a pen. It's so hot. I want to get this one. This one should be faster. So tell me. That's right, an egg! That's right, an egg! There you go. There you go. Are you sure? Are you sure? Da da dance, da da dance. Are you baby? Are you here? Da 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 da. Finished. Da da. Do you like these, Kira? Yes, I do. Giraffes have long neck better than humans, longer and longer. Looks like everybody's scared giraffe when they eat children, not eat children. Just eat tree and salad, but she don't want to get pepper. But I just like salad so much. I get to be higher. Need to color other animals. But don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!